Well, yeah, he's real close on the inside.
Yeah.
I feel like he won every fight because he was all in their grill. Those big wide racks and shit. I mean, he didn't, you think about it, his ears were right here where my hands are. He didn't really sit out that far outside his ears. But he's a beautiful deer. He hangs out with me. I'm going to name his ass some shit like Charlie or fucking call him Chuck. I don't know. I'm going to hang him up.
Chuck.
He will hang out with me in the Thunderdome for life.
Like an Alfred.
But I believe in his energy, man. I believe he was a bad motherfucker in his time.
On the East Coast, we call that a 9-pointer, Nova Scotia, where I come from. But out here, they only count one side, so they call it a 5. And that's fucked up. You get that, and they call it a 5-pointer. Like, what are you talking about? That's way bigger than 5.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah,
This dude was probably 250 pounds in his life. Ran around like a gorilla and ate soybeans and fucking corn and stuff. Tried to hit cars and shit. You know how it works.
But even when they're just 4 points out here, they're still big deer.
Okay, yeah.
Those fucking shit down. Like some bud. Like I'm gonna show my wrist. How big he is on my wrist.
If anybody ever comes out here to Vegas, I know a few places that we don't tell other people about. There's some nice little finds. There's some old mine shafts, some straight ones. Because my girlfriend I was with at the time, and I was actually working with her brother-in-law. There was his name was Ray Lingard, that just came to mind just now. I guess their family was pretty known out there, whatever, but...
Yeah. Yeah. I used to hang out at the fucking Idle Spur every night. The only fucking bar in 60 miles. Just wanted to go into the casinos in Prim.
That's where I got my free foothold at. Yeah, we gotta get together then. We're not that far apart between us.
Well, I'm back in San Diego now.
I was out there last night.
Oh, no shit.
Ocean Beach.
Too quick. And if you're not ready, your face comes off. It's like a little fix-up.
Yeah.
It's fucking for real, for real. It's that real shit. Like, I want to find a seed in this one. I looked in seeds in every pack so far, just so I got another pack of this watermelon glue. So I found 2 seeds in the last one, and I smoked one on accident. So I'm guaranteeing I got more seeds in this one.
Yeah.
So like, this I'm hoping I find seeds in this one, because I found seeds in this devil's spit. And that fucking shit was fire. And like, you wouldn't think you'd find seeds in that shit, but I found the 2 seeds in that and smoked one on accident. And I got some Skywalker, which I hope I find seeds in this, because I found seeds in the last one from the last pack. So it's like the same shit. Everybody's got seeds in their shit, but I'm happy to find them. When is that good?
You held that shit up and we were so excited that it reminded me of like, remember Cracker Jacks?
Yeah, you get a prize in the bottom, baby.
Yeah, I got a couple seeds.
Oh shit, that's obviously shit. Fuck yeah.
It's like right here is like, yeah, my prize, my fucking. They should come. All jars of these should come with 2 seeds in the fucking bottom of them, I think. So you know, like obviously what I'm gonna get to grow out. Fuck yeah, like that'd be sick. Like 2 different phenos, even a little cardboard divider, and have both little fucking phenos on the shit, and then the seeds in the middle. That's a fire way to fucking give your shit out, so you can know what the fuck you're gonna grow, or just you can have some in their seeds to like pass out to people.
What if you get the 3rd pheno?
Yeah, you put the cardboard in there and make a little 3-way, you know?
So you got
gas,
and pine, and eagle grows out grapefruit.
Yeah, and it's gonna turn to fucking, what's the fucking shit that, fucking, dragon fucking fruit, everything.
Dragon fucking fruit. That sounds like fucking fruit.
I found some super pines and I was gonna fucking name them dragon fruit, just so when I send them to him that they turn to fucking pine. So I'm like, reverse psychology in the seeds. I'm like, come on, I'm gonna get your seeds.
Hey. If it makes you feel better, Eagle, I popped 10 twin.
I wonder if people thought because it was blueberry, they tasted blueberry, but it obviously was so overwhelming pineapple. I wonder if anyone was like, hey, it's blueberry and pineapple. Oh yeah. But they're still fruit, so I guess not as far off as bubble gum. I left for
Pine
Dunkin'
cones
fresh.
is what I wanted.
Pine tree.
Pine cones. Yeah.
Oh wait, was that one fresh? No, that's the mint
Christmas.
one. What's the fucking mint one called? Just Wrigley's fucking mint bubblegum, right?
Yeah.
Spearmint. Did I get it? Yeah.
Spearmint. That's the
Spearmint.
Yeah.
Or double mint.
Your pleasure.
Bubble
Double
mint. Spearmint, they have both. Juicy fruit.
Juicy
Yeah,
fruit.
that's
That's what I got out of
what I
that.
got.
Josh would
Juicy fruit's the shit. I had a fucking LA cookie, no Bubba. Was it a Bubba that smelled like fucking juicy fruit? I don't remember what it was. Fuck.
I've had a few things smell like juicy fruit, like pops out randomly out of shit.
Abusive OG? I can't remember. I grew so many OGs back then, but I had a juicy fruit that fucking smelled so good and it smoked like shit, but it got you so high. Like it was just like too strong. Like it just hurt. Every hit made you cough and it fucking wasn't fun. It was not fun to smoke. It was a challenge type thing. Like smoke this, motherfucker, take this snap. You could take a whole bong load. Go take this big shit. It's like, no. Behind your head high. Like, third eye's way back
So
here.
what would you guys describe as the juicy fruit? How would you
Juicy
describe
fruit
it?
I always
'Cause it's-
found kind of lean banana for me. I always felt like there was like a little banana-y sweet thing. I don't know.
You fruit the banana?
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's
like candy.
actually proprietary,
Yeah,
but it wouldn't even tell you what it's compared to.
Yeah, I think it's
It wouldn't be what it's imitated.
Juicy fruit's hard to explain. There's a fruit that smells like it, but I don't know the name of it.
No, yeah, there is. They